Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and hour at which you are seeing this video or watching this video. Greetings to you and welcome to my channel. This is your guy Adewale Adefarakon, aka Simple Wale. So on this one today, I want to take us on a simple guide on how to take off those unsolicited ads that pop up on our phone unsolicitedly while you might be operating your phone. And you know those funny ads that usually pop up without your consent, they just interrupt what you're doing, interrupt your operations, and most especially for those who are into mining of one or two apps, you can understand what I'm saying better. Take for example from this very chart, Mirror, Biometrics, Mapas, every one of these apps here, if you are into them, you understand what I'm saying by those ads that interrupt your mining and every other operations on your phone. And that is why I am here this time. I want to show you how you can take off those unsolicited ads from your phone. The procedure is simple, the steps are easy. Okay, these are things you can do from the comfort of your home without the help of any tech guy. Even you yourself can get it done. And that's what I want to take us through this moment. Okay, so I just need you to follow through, stay tuned, and follow the step-by-step procedure. We have just like 1 to 7 steps to make or move to make to get that off, and those funny ads will not be disturbing your phone any longer. I mean never. They will not be disturbing you again. So I just need you to follow through now. Okay, so let's dive into it. First thing you need to do is go into your phone and locate your phone search bar. Okay, now in your search bar, look for settings. As you can see over here. Okay, this is setting, right? This is my phone setting. So when I'm on my phone setting, the next thing I want to do is click on this setting icon. Then you will now navigate to more connections depending on what it is on your own phone. But on my own phone, I have more connections. Look at it over here. All right, you can see it. This is more connections. On other devices or phone, you can see more connectivity options. Okay, but on my own phone, it's rating more connections. So I'll click on it. Okay, I click on more connections. Then the next thing you want to do is to locate private DNS. Now this is it. This is private DNS. So you click on private DNS. Now as you can see, it's on automatic. It is on automatic. You click on this private DNS to customize it. Private DNS provider host name. Okay, so now in this space provided down here, you're going to type this option that wrote dns.adguard.com. right now, when you've done this, you save it, and that is all. There's nothing special, there's nothing more you need to do. This is just the procedure, and with this done, no app, no ads will disturb you ever again on your phone. Okay, thank you for staying through. So guys, if you're just coming across my channel and you find this video helpful, like very, very helpful to you, please do it to give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and even share these people to some other person that might be needing it. You see this very video, share it to your friends, share it to your colleagues, even share it to your enemy if you have any. Okay, and do us well by giving us a subscription. I swear to God, you make my day. You make my day if you give us a subscription. Okay, thank you don't mention.